Hello again mga kabata. This is Dan again, ang Batang Malabon for this time I'm here again in the locker rooms, my new locker rooms. As you can see, there's some changes in these locker rooms. We leveled it up. I will show you later, but this time I will unbox again. Okay, I will unbox, but today it's not about shoes unboxing, because today is Ramadan. Somebody gave me or brought me the tamar. You know what is tamar? It's they call it a dates. It's a kind of fruit. It's different kind of fruit. Talagang I like this fruit. This is the one thing I like most in Arab countries, the tamar. Okay, dates, they call it the dates, tamar. So if you like to hear or to know what's the story, kung bakit ko nagustuhan, why do I like this tamar, just comment, and please subscribe also and hit the notification bell. Again, Batang Malabon 4D, pakita ko sa inyo. I will show you now. He gave me 3 different kinds of dates or tamar, so different tastes. I will just unboxing now, and I will try to taste it later because it's fasting hour, so we follow the rules. Okay, and this tamar is not just a fruit for them. Some of them has a religious way of eating this. For example, first thing in the morning, they said it's better to eat 7 pieces of this, or 4 or 5, something like that. Okay, now I will show you. I will unbox. Unbox ba tawag dito? I don't know, it's unbox. I call it unboxing because it's in the paper bag. Okay, wait please. Okay, here it is. So I think this the place where he bought it. I don't know, this delicacy shop. Okay, this is the tamar inside. One is with this aluminum, I don't know what's that, aluminum, and this kind of one tamar, it's in Arabic. I cannot understand what it says, but it looks like very sweet. And the other one, I'm not using a tripod, that's why isang kamay ko lang gumagana. I'm only using one hand. Oh, this one is looks like special one. Okay, this is the tamar, and let's open this. What's inside? Okay, this looks like shiny one. This one is look like dried, and the other ones looks like juicy. Okay, I cannot eat this now. So after okay, we'll close it more first. Okay guys, I cannot try it now to taste because still in a fasting hour. I will try to eat that after my duty, and I will let you know. And again, please comment if you like what's the story, how I like this dates or tamar. Okay, the first time I taste this was long way back ago. It's 1989 in Saudi Arabia. Okay, and accidentally. Okay, so as I promised, I will show you and tour you around my new locker rooms, but still not yet finished. Okay, and let's see. Ready, set, go. Okay guys, as you can see, here's the place where I do unboxing on my first vlog about a shoes and test. Okay, now they trying to put some vanity big mirror here. Wow, vanity para lang kaming artistahin. And this is the okay, the bag compartment. And we have here also for a big bag that is full, and also down here meron din kami mga ganyan. Okay, three section. Okay, now remember this is the locker room before it was all yellow colors. Now they put brown boxes. I don't know why. And this the floor. I'm trying a shoes like this. Remember? Yeah. Remember this shoes? I unboxed it here. Now it's dirty now, but it's still not smell dead rat. And they put a big mirror here. You see? And ako. Hello, mga kabata. This is done. Ang Batang Malabon for the. Please subscribe, share, like, and hit the notification bell and comment. Okay, ikot ko kayo, and ayan pa ang box. Ayun ang uniform ni Spider-Man. Okay, so again here, ayun ang mga lockers. And again, a big mirror here, and they will put another vanity mirror here with matching siguro light. Pag natapos to, if it's done, I will show it to you again. Okay. Okay, once again, this Batang Malabon for the later on we will taste the Tamar, but not here now. Sa baba na. Okay, see you.